Hello, this is my bag which I'm taking with me to the gyms, or pretty much those are the products which I'm using to put my skincare in the morning. So I'm gonna show you what's inside and I'm gonna present them to you the way how I'm applying them. So first is the Estee Lauder foaming cleanser, which is really nice. I use it for many years. And it's a foaming cleanser. You don't really have to spend too much, but it's a good product. Then I'm gonna put my vitamin C serum. Currently I'm using one from Pixi. It's quite nice and it's, I'm gonna call it cheaper alternative for the one from Paula's Choice. Then is the Physician Formula, the vitamin booster, which it's about to be gone. However, and I already have the replacement, which is the Vichy Thermal Serum. So pretty much once I apply my vitamin C, usually your skin's gonna be sticky, so you wanna apply something else. Currently I'm using this, but it's better if you're gonna put some milky serum, and this one is good. Right, currently I'm trying, I should say, after I put those two, I'm putting this one, which is the Origins white tea serum. I already have a full size of it. It was quite nice and I didn't mind it. Also, you can use this as a primer if you on the go and you don't have too much time to put on your skincare. Then you have the eye cream. That's the one from Jaya with saffron. It's simple. In the meantime, I have another one with peptides. However, this one it's a huge tube, so it's gonna be a while before I use it. Possible I'm gonna start using it as a face cream because I know it's gonna take me a while. Oh yeah, first of all, I forgot deodorant. Then we got Burt's Bees Cotton Extract Moisturizer, which is nice. It's light, but it does hydrate. However, I already have the replacement, which is the Origins, come on, focus, the white tea with SPF 40, and that's the reason why I have it, so I can have both SPF and moisturizer. I already used this one previously, and it's nice. The only minus is it comes in a jar package. I wish I wish that this product would come in a tube. Afterwards, so after applying my moisturizer, I'm gonna put the SPF, which is the Misha. I do enjoy the one which comes in a blue package. Unfortunately, when I was placing the order, they only have this one. So that's what I got so far. And also I'm trying out the roche-posay, which is, come on, you're gonna focus. Come on. Alright, that's the serum from La Roche-Posay. Not serum, SPF. It's really nice. It's light, but it glides on your skin. On the small sample, if you only use it on your face, you can easily use it 3 times. It's so liquidy, but it's still powerful. Okay, got the mirror perfume. That's the Belle from Estee Lauder. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm trying it out. The fragrance is nice, however, it reminds me of many fragrances which are easily accessible on the market, so no, I will not repurchase it. Those are my products which I'm keeping in my everyday bag, and as you saw it yourself, I'm rotating. Oh yeah, in real life, here we go. I'm trying my brushes. I have my little thing of perfumes and my everyday skincare. Okay, see you guys next video. Bye.